In this video, we're going to take a look at a time value of money problem using Microsoft Excel. This is a video that we're creating to demonstrate the ease of using Kaltura. So we have a problem in which we want to find the future value of $1,000 earning 10% per year for 20 years. So if we deposit $1,000 into an investment vehicle today, and it's going to earn 10% per year, and it's going to compound for 20 years, the question is, what will be the value that will be due to us in 20 years? So what I recommend doing is I recommend typing in the variables. So we're going to type in future value, we're going to type in present value, we're going to type in N for the number of compounding periods, then we're going to type in percent, or percentage rather, and we're going to make our column a little bit wider. So maybe not quite that wide. Okay. So our present value is going to be negative 1,000. Why negative, you ask? Well, it's going to be negative because that's a cash outflow. We're depositing $1,000 with an investment company, so that's a cash outflow for us. Then our number of periods will be 20. And our percentage is going to be 10%. So now we put our cursor in our cell for future value, and we go to formulas, and we're going to choose financial, and we're going to look for FV, future value. So we're going to put our rate in first. So our percentage rate is going to be 10%. And you'll notice that I'm clicking on the tool to help me. Our number of periods is going to be 20. And our present value is going to be our negative $1,000. Okay. So our future value is going to be $6,727.50. Thank you for watching.